Hi Daryl, this is Michaela. I spoke with you on the phone today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video that's going to go over your website with you, show you how to rank according to the different aspects that Google looks for when ranking websites, and discuss your overall online presence, okay? So to start, Google looks for three specific aspects when ranking websites on their Google platform. Those aspects are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So let's start with content. Content is anywhere actual text shows up on your website. So we have a little here on the home page, and then this About Us section counts. And then you've got a gallery, some pricing. So overall, not a ton of content on your home page. Let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you an example. So anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Well, why is that? It's because it has so much content, okay? So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds content-rich sites, and naturally just starts moving them up the rankings. So, from looking at some of the competition in your area, as well as knowing how much Google loves content, I'm going to suggest you have between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your home page alone. Doing this will allow you to beat any competition who's currently ranking for content on the Google platform, as well as allow Google to find you and easily move you up the rankings on your own. With that said, on every additional service that you offer, we typically recommend, we recommend that each of these services have their own page on your website. So maybe under this Our Services, have like another tab with carpet cleaning, another one with upholstery, pet and odor removal, rug cleaning, tile and grout cleaning. Doing this is going to do two things for you. Number one, for every new page we create, we add between 750 to 1,000 words of content. And what do we know about content? Google loves it, right? So the more content we have, the easier it's going to be for Google to move us up those rankings, but it also secures you as the content leader in your area, securing your position on the top of Google. It also allows us to put keyword specific words on your website. So for instance, for the carpet cleaning page, carpet cleaning Charleston, South Carolina, this is a good keyword that gets searched a lot in your area. So having this exact phrase in the content on your website is going to allow you to be found as an option, and your website will come up when it's searched. And you'll get in front of a lot more people. So that's really an important thing that we want to work with. This here is Ahrefs, and it brings me to how you're currently doing on the internet today. And as we can see, we're getting 0 traffic to our website, primarily because we're ranking for 0 keywords. So from your competition, they have a lot of keywords they're ranking for. They're ranking for upholstery cleaning, in your area. Let's see, Charleston, South Carolina. Rug cleaning, Charleston, South Carolina. Carpet cleaning, Charleston, South Carolina, as well as a multitude of others. And by doing that, Google, when it tries to find search results for people, if you have it in your website, it says, oh, there it is, I found it. And it naturally brings your website up as an option. So definitely that it helps with our exposure, getting in front of more people, which is what every small business owner wants, right? So definitely let's get some more content, about 750 to 1,000 words per additional page and 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. That's going to get you seen on multiple searches, as well as move way up the rankings for having adequate content. Next, I'm going to take your attention to these two numbers here. This first one here, UR, is primarily fueled by citations. And what is a citation? Anytime you do a basic Google search for, let's again use carpet cleaning, Charleston, South Carolina, you're going to see these top 3 competitors. From the get-go, they're going to get the most business based on visibility alone. So how do we get to this position? Through adding citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business's name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. Those are two really good examples. The more of those you get, the higher up the rankings you go, till you secure a top position here, getting that exposure to new clients and getting more business. Next, this DR is directly related to backlinks and referring domains. So a backlink is anywhere that your business's website has a link that is linked and clickable on another business website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Those are both two really good examples because they have a lot of high traffic to their sites, as well as they are trusted sites by Google. So when we have a good referring domain like Angie's List or HomeAdvisor, host our domain or our backlink, it's going to actually transfer a lot of that influence that they have and point it back to us. So the more influence we have pointing back to our website, the higher this DR goes. So all of this to say, people who are getting the most business in your area have a high UR, high DR, and high keywords, which results in a lot of traffic and high clientele. So again, just a quick recap. Plenty of content on your homepage. Add new pages for each of your services with 750 to 1,000 words of content with appropriate keywords for each service. Add a lot of citations to get to the top of this GMB, getting our business in front of more people. And then add good quality backlinks that have a lot of influence to point back to our site so that we across the board have good presence on the internet and are seen by a lot of people. Well, Daryl, I hope you found this information helpful. Please send me a quick email. Tell me your thoughts about this video. I would greatly appreciate it, but for now, that's all I have. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.